Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy with popular features. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3. Take a ride in the 2019 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, power steering, floor mats, aluminum wheels, cruise control, rear defrost. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.